the Klimaire 9000 BTU 16 SEER inverter mini split ductless air conditioner and heat pump. This is 220 volts and it comes with a free installation kit. If you're looking for a ductless AC and heat pump unit that is extremely efficient, that still works and heats when the outside temperature falls down below 50, this Klimaire DC inverter air conditioner is the ultimate cooling and heating technology of the HVAC field. DC inverter air conditioners bear special compressors that their speed could be changed by increasing or decreasing the frequency of the supplied power. Therefore, unlike conventional split air conditioners, heat pumps which cycle between on and off repeatedly, the DC inverter control system will monitor the room temperature and adjust the compressor speed automatically. Conventional compressors just turn on and off to maintain the room temperature at the desired level and result in the compressor drawing excessive energy each time it starts up. This has a variable capacity range for different room sizes, has better heating performance in winter, it's environment protected refrigerant R410A, and it has a quick installation kit saving labor costs by fast coupling pipe for the R410A and power. Has active carbon fiber for clean air circulation. Some of the things people really like about this Klimaire is it works great and it doesn't seem to use a lot of electricity. It cools down their rooms quickly and it's just a quality product. These are nicely built products. Once again, one of the things that people don't like so much is they are a little bit expensive compared to a regular window air conditioner. But once you realize how much this does and how much it saves over having a system installed, you'll realize it's quite affordable. And they are, they're quite heavy. This is the ideal unit for a small office, workshop, or studio featuring a DC converter air handling system. Perfect for when the temps approach 100 degrees with quiet and efficient cooling, as well as when the temps drop to 50 degrees to give you the heat you need in no time. The DC inverter control system will monitor the room temperature and adjust the compressor speed automatically, giving you more comfort. Overall, this is a very nice unit.